Hello guys, kaunta. Ganda. Ande. Ande na. Ako sa ano? Tanaw, mag-isa ako. Hi sis. Dali lang to sis. Help sis, oy. I'm eating sis. It's a short live sis. I'm just back from market and I cook some food. So hungry sis. Thank you sis. It's a short live sis. Hi there. Good evening here sis. Nga i-close na ko ni kadali ha. Sis, I go now to your channel. Just finish. I need to check your channel. Excuse me. Joji Talks. Oh, it's your daughter? Ah, she's so beautiful. I saw your video now. She's in Philippines. Example. Why? In our home, we eat using our hand. But in public, we don't use this. Only in home. So maybe you say, oh, she's using her hand. My foreigner friend, they're wondering why. So I tell them. I play you now, sis. Are George Hoy on the voice proverbs the language? What's this? Is this French? Oh. Your video, this is your daughter. She is so beautiful. Airport, English, vocabulary at Sharjah International. Since I play your 7 videos. Africa Park, the Egyptian show. No, this is your daughter. She's a beautiful sis. I want baby girl. How old? What her name? Logie, her name? What her name sis? Thank you. Oh, 9. I will subscribe you sis. I give you 3 sub, okay? To my main channel, Lou Jane. That's right. Why your name is Logie? Okay. Her nickname. Only one? Hello? Hanjo? Salabi? Kain kayo. Kadali lang to eh. Hala eh. Sulabi ba? Oo na siya. Bahala ka diho ay. Salamat. Sis, you want to subscribe my friends sis. They are so nice. Sol Abi. That is her channel. She's from Egypt sis. And the other one is from Japan. Just comment theirs to their content sis. Hans Zero TV. He's from Japan sis. And Sol Abi, thank you so much always. She's my good friend. Sol Abi sis. She's in Hong Kong. Hans Jivo sis. He's in Japan. Norma. You know sis, she always give me membership. For 3 times. I'm shy now. Da boy Mercy plus Nika TV. Okay sis, thank you sis. Da boy, anong channel mo da boy? Ito ba yung channel mo? Salamat Sol, dali lang eh. Tagay oy. Supportive to siya sis, ano ba, napaka-supportive dito yung friend natin, taga Egypt. Pag mag-live ako, andyan talaga yan siya, pag online siya. Anong channel ni Daboy and Mercy, Nika TV. Ano ba to? Main mo to? Sister? Sis, subscribe to my friends. Antigos, oy. Hindi ako. Katay. You know, sis, in the night time, I eat a little rice. Sis, come to their channel, sis. They are so supportive, sis, like you. The Boy Mercy, plus Nika TV. Sis, ano mo yan? Channel mo yan, sis? Sis, di kita mo yan, mga friendship ko, sis. Mga OFW yan, sis. Tingnan ko si The Boy. Wait lang ha. The Boy and Mercy. Ay, excuse me. Mercy plus Nika TV. Ano ba to? Hala, wala man. Anong main mo si sis? Ano, the boy? Musa mo kasi da. Anong the boy? Anong channel mo? Leave your comments, sis, to Sol Abi and Hans Giro. Thank you so much, Sol Abi, so much. Always thank you. Salamat, sis. Saglit lang to, sis. Oy, so, anong channel mo, Daboy, ba? Mabalikan kita. Sulabi, always yan. Hans Giro. Si Hans Giro TV. Baby, waffle. Hans Giro. Hello, sis. Salamat so much. I check your ano, sis. Sis, I go now, sis. Ay! Sis, I go now. Salamat, Sol Abi. Thank you so much always. I-play ko sila. Sis, I go now, okay? Cause I need to watch. Sis, I will play your video, okay? And I will check later to some of my account, okay? Thank you so much, sis. And God bless. Sol Abi, thank you. Salamat. Buang world. Ay, buang world. Salamat, buang world. Naggawa-gawa ako live or dali magud ni eh. Dali ang sis. Pasang samok. Kumano na lang ako ng 15 minutes. 1 minute. Gutom kayo ko sis, oy. Panagsabay ba kung kaog baboy? I will make it, ano sis, 15 minutes. Sis, are you in home? Bait yan sis ba? Palagi na nasusupport sis. Sis, if you are busy, no need to type. It's okay. Just leave your phone. If you are busy there. Sometimes I do that if I support my friend. Like I do, you know, anything in home. So I just leave my phone and keep talking. And I don't have time to chat. So yummy sis. My dog sis. He always touch my hand. He always touch my hand sis and ask some food. My baby. I love you. He just finished eat his dinner. Now goodbye everyone. It's 15 minutes. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much always. Stay motivated. Babu, stay beautiful. Mwah. Salamat, guys. Thank you. Shukran. Shukran.